on the trail again. Almost to Walmart. It's a very violent trail. Look at the deep mystical woodness in it. And there's Savannah the butterfly. Ah! That was thorns. Not the best feeling in the world. See my now cut hands. And Savannah skipping gracefully. Some jungle cats would come out and eat you. We're almost there! Oh, let's not trip on this bumpy trail. I hate this trail. I hate this trail. Savannah, stop, dude. What do those bushes ever do to you?
They are blowing onto me.
Blow them off, dang it. Not like that. Go. Hold on. Here we go, just turning. Wait, no. No, you're leaving, Jessica. I never leave a man behind. They're gonna leave me. I'm going to get eaten. Oh, she's talking mushrooms. Holy, she's talking mushrooms. I'm gonna get killed. Roller coaster. Go! This old man came rolling home. Ah!
No.
Oh! Perverted bush. Since when are bushes perverted? Oh, we're almost there! I can see it! It's gonna be fun. I hope. Just hope I don't see anybody I know. No embarrassment today. Okay, guys? No super embarrassment. You can say hi to people. You can wave hi to all your fans.
Yay!
Say, hey, find me on YouTube. This is going on YouTube! Vincente.
Yes.
The Mexican.
Shut up.
Oh, here we go to the rocky pot. We're getting bumpy here. Oh! Oh, Mallory, quit your whining. You wash pants. Are they bugging me yet? No. Oh, we're almost there. We're to Walmart. Oh, God. And I'm falling. Savannah's beating covered bush.